At your
Hey,
feet.
did anybody grab that?
What'd you say?
Did anybody grab that sign?
Yeah, it's at the front door.
What? What? What?
Wait, who's this? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here? Who's here?
What do you
Everybody
mean?
outside, everybody outside, everybody outside.
Everybody outside. What?
What is wrong?
Okay, so there is this thing called a mask, and they are different kinds of masks. There are like I think there's laughs. With the mask on, it takes over your body. There was one of those. So somebody's body's taken over. There will be a mask on their face. Do not go up to them. Okay?
What, do I just avoid them? Are they gonna kill us if we get too close?
Yeah, that will just kill you. And
But if we
it's
just
saying
avoid
narrative
them,
detected, so there's something else. Eli, did you see it?
See the mask now. So if I
Yes,
go
there's
near the
somebody with a
mask,
mask,
it'll just
so-
take my body over?
No, you can pick masks up off the ground. But there's somebody in there with a body taken over by a mask, and he's dead.
What the?
The fuck?
Right there, right there, right there, right there, right there.
I didn't know.
What's going on?
Ow!
Because I've put him on before.
Dude, I was like, who's the fifth guy? What the fuck?
I was so confused. I can't go anywhere.
Someone scoop!
Go away, you little shit! He's following me!
I've never heard so much fear in Cal's voice.
It's just near you, you little bitch! Come here! Where you at? You don't scare me!
There's something else back
Yeah,
there.
get fucked! Get fucked, pussy! Oh, pussy!
There's something in that room. God, Eli, that's so loud.
First mask. The only thing that can stop the mask is beating it to death. What the fuck was that?
What the fuck was that? Did you hear that?
That was Eli and his stupid soundboard.
Oh. I'm good.
Don't worry about that, me.
Fuck!
Well, he might not be good anymore. There's something in the vents. Where is everything? God, this is a really
The
shitty
vents.
Titan spawn. Good lord.
What? What?
You scared me. I take it back. I take it back. You scared me. You scared me. You scared me. Oh, stop it.
Hello?
Who brought that with them?
I just picked up another one.
Oh. Excuse you.
Bitch.
No, stop. I'm gonna.
Guys, fuckers. Shut up, fuckers.
Yeah?
Come here. Set a turret!
Somebody get his flashlight. Oh, perfection. Should somebody go and turn it off?
I got it.
I'll take it back.
Yeah. There's a. Where'd the book go? Here it is. I'm gonna put the book upstairs.
Okay, I think she's up here. Because she keeps on coming down from the stairs, it seems. And I'm getting colder temps up here.
I'm hearing singing.
Huh?
I'm hearing like singing or something.
Oh.
Ah!
Response to people who are alone. Why are all of you downstairs?
Do you guys think I should try this paw out?
What?
To do what?
It's a monkey's paw.
I grab spirit box. And then we're good.
It moved.
Yeah, it does. I wish to be safe. I wish to be safe.
Hello?
Holy shit, this thing saved me.
Get out. Leave. Is he dead? Was that the sound of him dying?
I don't know.
Activity just
I think he died.
No, guys, you don't understand.
He's dead.
The paw saved my life. I asked to be saved and it happened.
Sounds like
Well, I
Jesus.
bought all the stuff, so.
Oh my
I
god.
bought a lot of stuff too.
Eli, you're up. Good luck,
Eli,
buddy.
take this microphone. It will help you see if it is a banshee. There you go, friend.
I wish my friend came back to life.
That's not how that works, Eli.
I wish
Now you're just being delusional.
I wish to revive my friend.
What the fuck?
What?
It worked.
Guys?
Cal! Oh my god, Cal!
What the fuck?
I'm really confused.
I did it!
What?
Hey, wait, hold on. The ribcage I ate got put in our cabinet.
Oh, so that's how you get him over here, is you gotta take a picture and then eat it. Oh, that makes sense.
This is
Yeah,
actually
music
this is
box,
an
monkey paw.
inside view of my stomach. Where'd Dorian go?
I thought he was with you.
Swing your.
Am I echoey over here?
You're pretty echoey.
Do not!
Oh my god!
It's the Mario.
What's going on?
Monsters Inc. I'll murder 1,000 children.
Who just fell? Who just fell?
roll
What?
call? Roll
Dorian
call.
just fell to his death.
Damn, he had all the
Oh my
good
God.
shit.
Did he?
There's a slime
Yeah.
down here.
Yeah, I would have run.
Dorian, you're such an idiot. Can we buy me a flashlight?
Alright, pussy ass bitch.
A flashlight? Excuse me?
A flashlight? In this
It's economy.
I ordered flashlights.
Oh, you ordered them here, duh. 'Cause tonight is showtime, that's right. Ah!
You're so bad, and you're like for nothing, and you're something like
Chase, I might as well grab it.
Leave me alone.
That's a flawed sense of logic.
I hate.
Oh my god.
Dorian's gonna die. Oh.
Orient's dead.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna try to get Dorian's body back.
Is Dorian good? I think he ended up falling to his death. Because that spider didn't kill him. Had time to get up from the spider.
I bet I could beat the spider in a fight.
I think he's fine.
Don't we have a stop sign on the ship? Why don't we just use that?
We'll find the spider. The spider will one-shot you. The stop sign is one-shot the spider. If you don't have the key, can you put it in the door?
It's like a ball view.
Where are you? I have a
in
key.
the fight.